Hi, good evening, friends. My name is Advocate Ajay, and today I'm here to cover the topic that is known as Maxim. So, this is basically a topic only for the students who are pursuing or attempting for the MSCT entrance examination. So I would like to kindly request the professional student not to go through this video. This is exclusively made for the MSCT entrance exam students or the students who are pursuing for an entrance examination either for 5 years or 3 years. So my dear friends, if you are preparing for your entrance examination and for an LLB, so today I'm going to speak something about the maxims, and in this 5 minutes video I'm going to cover those maxims of which are very much relevant with respect to examination point of view for an entrance examination. So coming to the maxims, what actually maxims are. तो अगर मेरे को जनरल लैंग्वेज में अगर मुझे आपको बताना पड़े कि मैक्सिम्स क्या होता है, तो मैक्सिम्स आर समथिंग अ सोर्स that is known as natural source from which the derivation and codification of law actually has taken place, such as we always refer to a few prospect in our day-to-day life that our forefather has said something that which we have to follow, that is known as custom and tradition, but that is a guideline, a state guidelines which has to be followed for the subsequent. So similarly, the maxims are the some phrases which are like customs which are always been used, and it has always been relied to come to a conclusive opinion in the law. So basically, for an examination point of view, there are few maxims. First of them is known as the ordi altrum partem. So ordi altrum partem means right to be heard. Means whenever we are talking about a law, so law has a general principle that no person should be kept unheard. If somebody has been charged or has been accused for a particular offenses, he should be given a reasonable opportunity to present himself and to keep his defense. Now the second is damnum sin injuria, and the vice versa of that is a injuria sin damnum, means damages without injury. Means damnum means damages, sin means without, and injury means injuria means injury. Injury should always be form of legal injury, not a physical injury, physical assault or something. It should be a legal injury. Legal injury means the right which are curved by the person, means your right has been curved by some other person, then that particular thing is known as injury. Damages means there is a loss or the cost or the physical loss has been taken either in the form of monetary way or some other way. So damnum sin injuria means damage without injury, and injuria sin damnum means injury without damages. So always remember, the actual damage is not relevant in the law unless and until there is a legal injury. So the well-known judgment for this particular two maxims are Asby versus White, whereby there was a person who was deprived of his voting right, even though the person who was deprived of his right, he was expected to cast a vote for a particular person, and that person has already won the election, even though the court has come to the conclusion no matter there is no physical damage because the person to whom you were supposed to cast the vote has already won the election, but there is a infringement of your legal right. That is why you are still entitled for the compensation. So damnum sin injuria, injuria sin volatile not fit injuria means if somebody has given voluntary consent for a particular act and then he suffered the damages, in that particular situation that particular person cannot claim for compensation. UB just ibi remedium, that is a last but not the least, means wherever there is an infringement of a right, there is always a alternative remedy available. So whenever I'm talking about whenever there is a right, there is always a remedy. Right is the legal fixation which has been given. If that particular right is infringed by you, then there is a statute, codified statute. Codified means written statute which will ensure that your right is always protected. So if there is an infringement of your legal right, that means there is a remedy given by the statute and you will be restored with your right. So basically these are five important maxims which are very much relevant for an entrance examination point of view. Thank you.